Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own Christmas ornament. If you want to see how I do so, keep on watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do that for me. I appreciate you, please and thank you. So here we are. I have a 3-inch round acrylic. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's acrylic. I have some Mod Podge, I have some acrylic paint in black, and I have some glitter there. So what I'm going to start out by doing is mixing some Mod Podge. My Mod Podge is coming to an end, and Shana don't waste anything, so I'll turn it upside down. Yes, I'll turn it upside down so it could drain down because there's a lot of Mod Podge still in the bottom. So I add my acrylic black paint and just using a popsicle stick, and I'm stirring that together. Excuse me. So I'm stirring that up together, and we're just going to add more paint to get it darker. And once I'm done mixing that up and I get it to like all blend out the Mod Podge with the paint, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a small brush and I'm going to apply it to my acrylic. Before I apply my Mod Podge and paint on my acrylic blank, I am peeling. You guys can see right there, I'm peeling off. There is a piece of plastic that comes under acrylic to prevent it from getting scratched right there. So that's what I peel off, and I just peel it off from one side. It's on both sides, but for now, I'm just going to peel it off from one side. And then I'm just going to go ahead, like I said, and apply my paint with my Mod Podge. And guys, the reason for using the paint is so it will be just darker and easier for me to, like, I don't know, get through with the glitter versus it. Let me say it a better way. It take less time of me adding more glitter because it's on a darker surface versus a lighter surface where you have to add more glitter versus, you know what I mean? I don't know if I make any sense, but that's what I'm trying to say. The darker it is, I add less glitter. Once I added my acrylic paint mixed with my Mod Podge, I go ahead and I use the scissors and I just cut these small glitter packets. I have a whole bunch of these small glitter packets I purchased on Amazon. You could find them all over for small projects like these. So I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to apply my glitter to the acrylic blank. Once I apply the first layer of glitter, I'm going to set it to the side to dry. And once it's dry, I'll go over again and I'll use another coat of black paint along, followed by glitter. And that's what I'm doing here. I skipped that step, but here we go. And guys, if you notice that the glitter that I'm adding now, I don't know if you can see it, but the glitter that I'm adding now is kind of like a black holographic. So giving that effects the way, because the first one was just plain black. So there we go. We're going to leave it to dry. And I think I put on 3 coats of glitter. Okay, so now it's dry. I put some UV resin on it and leave that to dry for a little bit, and then we're going to add our decal. So there we go. After adding my UV resin to the acrylic, I went ahead and I used my silicone brush. That's the silicone brush I'm using there, guys. And I'm just spreading the resin all over the acrylic. Once I'm done spreading it and I'm comfortable with it, how it is, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in my UV light warmer, whatever they call that. I think it's a warmer, UV light, something, UV light. Anyways, guys, you have to work really quickly with this resin because it's like, it dries 1 to 2 minutes once you put it in the UV light, underneath UV light, and 10 minutes in natural sunlight. So you got to be really quick or it's going to start getting hard on you. Okay. See, like I told you guys, you can see me over there trying to wipe that piece off. It's starting to get hard, and then I'm over there playing with it. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, it does start to get hard, and I'm gonna put it in the light. Use some lighter to pop the air bubble, and then I put it right under the UV light, and 1 to 2 minutes it should be ready. Okay. It's been 1 to 2 minutes, so I'm using my weeding tool, and I just pulled that out from under the UV light. And I was afraid to touch it because I don't know if it was hot. It was my first time doing this. I have my decal all cut out. I did not make a video of that part, and I lost footage of how I apply it to the ornament. But it says neighbors are like, sorry you don't always see them, but you know they're always there. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.